Imagine waking up after 8 hours of sleep and still feeling completely exhausted. You drink coffee, then another cup, but your energy never really comes back. The problem may not be your sleep. It could be something your body is missing every single day. That missing nutrient is called protein. And today, I'll explain why protein is one of the most important nutrients your body needs. But here's what most people never realize. Many people count calories, but completely ignore the quality of those calories. And that's exactly where protein makes the biggest difference. Think of protein as the construction material your body uses every single day.
Every muscle, every organ, every cell depends on it.
Without enough protein, your body simply can't repair itself as efficiently. Protein is made from tiny building blocks called amino acids. 9 of these amino acids are essential because your body cannot produce them. And now, you must get them from the foods you eat. So, which foods give you the highest quality protein? Let's begin with some of the best animal protein sources. Chicken breast is one of the leanest and most complete protein sources available. Eggs are another nutritional powerhouse packed with complete protein. Salmon provides high-quality protein together with heart-healthy omega-3 fats. And Greek yogurt combines protein with calcium to support healthy muscles and bones. But what if you don't eat meat? The good news is, you still have plenty of healthy options. Lentils, chickpeas, beans, tofu, quinoa, almonds, and pumpkin seeds are all excellent sources of plant protein. These foods don't just provide protein. They also contain fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. If you eat different plant protein sources throughout the week, your body can get all the essential amino acids it needs. Can protein actually help you lose weight? That's what we're here to find out. The answer is yes, because protein helps you stay full for longer, making it easier to avoid unnecessary snacking.
It also helps protect your muscles while your body burns stored fat.
Protein also supports your immune system, helping your body produce antibodies that fight infections. It keeps your skin healthier, your hair stronger, and your body recovering faster after exercise. But remember, more protein isn't always better. The healthiest approach is eating the right amount from a variety of nutritious foods. If you're constantly tired, losing muscle, or recovering slowly, your diet may need more quality protein. If these symptoms continue, speak with a qualified healthcare professional for personalized advice. So, what's the biggest lesson from today's video? Protein isn't just another nutrient. It's one of the foundations of a healthy life. Small daily choices may seem insignificant, but over months and years, they can transform your health. Your future doesn't change overnight. It changes with the decisions you make at your very next meal. I'm Dr. Babar, and this is Health Journey. If this video helped you understand your health a little better, subscribe to our channel and join thousands of people who are choosing